it's Julie. I'm at Tractor Supply with Tyson, and we're just walking a little bit outside before we go into the store. We did a downstay as people and carts were going by, and now we're just practicing our heel command. One thing that you'll notice when you take dogs out to public, like a busy place like this, your numbers will be way higher on the remote than they are just hanging out in your living room. So if your dog's normally working on a 10 inside your house, just for basic reminders, your numbers might be tripled when you go out into public, just because their mind is more stimulated. The number has to match the mind. So if your dog goes to sniff something yummy on the ground and you tap them at a 10 and they don't act like they don't feel it, you're gonna have to at least triple your numbers, especially for a dog like Tyson, who is easily distracted. It's really important to hold that accountability to a high standard. He's gotta be in follow mode. Some things that help are the heel tap, where I lift up my left ankle, tap it into his chest. If it makes contact, I click the e-collar at the same time. If I lift my ankle up and nothing happens, he's in the right spot. And that's one of our secrets to keeping dogs so far behind us. All right, I think we're ready to go into the store. We're gonna just focus on being calm mindset, follow mode. We're gonna do some downstays and healing throughout the aisles. We're in the store. So far so good. I'm asking him to resist all these amazing smells because a lot of other dogs come into this store too, and I'm just asking him to stay in a nice heel that isn't pushy. And remember, this is a lifestyle. We didn't just let him live in the Wild West and then say, let's go take an outing with Tyson, and expect him to be perfect. This is holistic. So there's lots of structure in his life. He's held to the same standard every minute of every day, and we are very consistent in our expectations and holding him accountable for good behavior. So, doing really well. There's people walking by, staying in this nice heel, observing, but very appropriately. He's looking around, but it's not tense. The forehead's not wrinkled, his ears aren't up. He's just looking around, taking it all in, and that's very appropriate. We even healed past the little chicks earlier, the little ducklings. So now I think we're ready for a downstay at a busy part of the store, which is either the main entrance or the exit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can actually see him resisting the smells. Come. Good boy. Sit. Good.